Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now by preparing tools and a minimal workspace. Install VS Code and Node.js, then run npm init in your project folder so package. JSON exists. Once done, add index, HTML and main, JS files and install a game library with npm so you have APIs ready. Make sure to enable live server and the debugger extension. These let you run and step through code quickly. This gets you from 0 files to a runnable dev environment. You now implement the middle systems. Structure your SRC and assets folders, then code the main game loop, scene manager, input handling, and simple physics. As you write, use VS Code breakpoints and the debugger to inspect variables and step through frame updates. Once modules work, set up a bundler like Webpack or sbuild to compile assets and enable hot reload. Make sure to add small unit tests or live play checks so logic stays correct while you expand features. You finish by creating a production build and testing on your target devices. Run the bundled output and verify loading, input, and performance. Once done, profile CPU and memory to remove bottlenecks and minify assets to reduce load times. Make sure to update package. JSON scripts for build and serve so teammates can reproduce results. If something goes wrong, check the browser or terminal console, enable source maps, and temporarily disable VS Code extensions to isolate faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.